Today, the guest would like to visit the Petanu Waterfall in the Tagalalang area, Gianyar. The hotel atmosphere is very cool, surrounded by many trees. It's feel like a suitable hotel for relax, or if you like a quiet atmosphere. We will have breakfast at a restaurant in the Kintamani area before we visit the Petanu Waterfall. Restaurants in the Kintamani area do offer very beautiful views of Mount Batur. There have been many restaurants that offer mountain views with delicious food along the road. The visitors need to walk from the parking lot to get to this waterfall. You will see a stretch of natural scenery during the trip to the waterfall. Don't worry when visiting this waterfall. The management of the waterfall have been built several facilities such as bathrooms/toilets, gazebos, and stalls around the waterfall. Petanu Waterfall is managed by the local village, Ketazan Village. There is an entrance ticket of IDR 20,000 per person to enjoy the beauty of Petanu Waterfall. The management used the ticket fee to maintain and build supporting facilities. There are other unique features in addition to the natural scenery. There is a place for Melukat, holy bathing, which has a pool and several fountains around the waterfall area. According to local beliefs, there are several benefits when Melukat in this place. One of them is being able to eliminate diseases caused by black magic. You can hear the soothing sound of the waterfall. The water is also clear and cold. You can swim in the natural pool, where the waterfall falls, to enjoy its freshness. There are many Instagrammable photo spots, so don't forget to capture them. The management has built a wooden bridge along the waterfall as an interesting photo spot.